Yeah, so whenever I left City, I decided to set up something what I call a social enterprise. It's a company called the Audit Hub. So you'll find it at www.theaudithub.co.uk. And I suddenly realized whenever I left that, you know, for auditors, there's no real sort of, one-stop shop for all things audit, be it
Mhm.
information, careers, opportunities, things like that. And I wanted to create something to help support the audit community because I will tell you, the internal audit community is fantastic. We're a small bunch, but we're a great bunch in terms of, always connecting in with each other. And I keep bumping into old friends from the audit community from 10, 20 years ago. And it's been fantastic. We continue to chat. We have lots of debate and discussions on a lot of the principles of audit. And I suddenly realized, can we put that onto somewhere for auditors to go to find information on that?